Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this funky monster bookmark. You will need cardstock, scissors, glue, and a marker. First, cut your cardstock into a square by folding one corner over to the side and trimming off the excess. Once you have your square, fold two opposite corners together to form a triangle. Turn the point of the triangle away from you and then fold the two bottom corners up towards the top. Take your time here and try to be as neat as possible. Then, open up the two folds again and bring the top corner of the top sheet of your triangle down towards the center. Fold the two bottom corners over and tuck them into the flap. Now use different paper to cut out eyes and other decorations and glue them onto your new bookmark. Remember to give your bookmark a nice big smile. And just like that, you are done. Well done on making your own monster bookmark. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.